Hi math lovers, can you solve this algebraic equation and find the value of x? Let's leave the radical x in left side and take the x to the right side next to 5, which will change the sign and become negative x. Now, this is same thing what we have at the beginning in different way. It's rearranged. Now I will make both sides square. This radical sign will cross out with this, and we will have x equals in left side, and right side I will use this famous algebraic formula a minus b square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here our a is 5 and b is x. Let's write this down. We will have 5 square minus 2 times 5 times x, then plus x square. Now let's write it again. X equals to, this will be 25 minus 10x plus x squared. Let's combine like terms together. Let's bring this x to the right side too. And let's rearrange it as this way. X squared minus 10x. Let's bring this x to this side too, which will be negative. It will change the sign. Minus x plus 25, let's write down, equals to 0, because if we bring this x, this left side will be 0. Now let's combine like terms. We will have x squared minus 10x minus x will be minus 11x plus 25 equals to 0. Now we have beautiful quadratic equation. We have to solve it. We have this formula of discriminant. That's how we solve the quadratic equation. That is quadratic formula. X 1 and 2, we call it, because we can have two answers, equals to minus b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is very famous algebraic formula for solving quadratic equation. In this case, our b is negative 11, which is in front of x. Negative 11. Our a is coefficient of x here, but we don't have coefficient. That means it equals to 1. And c is this one, 25. Equals to 25. We have to plug these numbers in this formula and find the x. Let's do this here. We have x 1 and 2, because we will have two answers, because you see here plus and minus, that means plus is different answer, minus is different answer, equals to negative, we have negative 11, right? And it's minus also in front of b, so we will write down minus 11 this way to have the correct answer. Plus and minus square root of b is negative 11, right? So negative 11 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 25. Divided by 2 times a is 1. This is equal to negative and parenthesis negative becomes positive. So this will be positive 11 plus and minus negative 11 square is positive 121 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 25 is 100. That's what we have under the square root. Divided by 2. Because 2 times 1 is 2. Equals to, now let's see what we have. 11 plus and minus square root of 121 minus 100 will be just 21. Divided by 2. Now we can separate plus and minus and write down our answers. x1 equals to 11 plus square root of 21 over 2, and x2 equals to 11 minus square root of 21 over 2. Those are the solutions for our equation. If the problem wants you to write the number, just you can use calculator for square root of 21 and subtract and divide. That's very easy. So this is the solutions, 2 solutions for this equation. I hope you understand and like this. This is one of important part of algebra where we meet in college, in school. So I hope it will be useful for you. Thank you for following. Please comment, like, and subscribe.